All right, so the market's bouncing. I want to talk about that. Days reversed. I'm up now. Up like, cashed out 600, up like 12, 13 right there. So that's options for you. Understand how risky they are. I either need to make a coffee, get a Red Bull, but something happened as far as what we were looking at and what has changed. And I think that big thing has been, well, if you're wondering why the market's going up right now, it is because Jay Powell was talking. This was his awaited conference. We talked about it earlier in this week, but pretty much what happened with him, he changed his tone on the rates, and he said that everything, he said we are much now closer to the neutral rate, when before his terminology was we are far from neutral. So that indicated that they were going to raise more. That's what they were worried about. A lot of people in the markets, we were worried about it. So to see that happen, it's a big shift, and the markets reacted. Markets are up right now, 479 points. S&P's up a decent amount. It's still going up as we're talking, and this is one thing now. Now we're waiting for the trade at G20. Again, like I was saying in the earlier video, it might have less of an effect, and I think so now because it seems as if this was a big effect. So there's two things. One, we were wrong, either in the sense that the market is more concerned with the rate hikes and Fed being at neutral, and that's why the market isn't as concerned with oil. Even though those are factors, they're just not as concerned, or it could be priced in elsewhere with oil and trade and even Brexit. And we were seeing the market move around and stuff, and like I said, it was weird to not see that stuff move, and it's showing volatility. However, seeing a move like this is one thing. So now the next part is it just happened. So we want to see how the market digests it now and then the coming days. And as all this other news comes in, I think we're going to start getting some clear answers. But in the meantime, you're seeing how this plays out. You're getting to watch it. Hopefully, you're able to make plays on it. Again, you guys are seeing what it's like. I was down earlier. Now I'm up. And that is because there's a lot of both volatility. The market still hasn't picked a direction. And now it's, now it's about setting it up, making sure I stay in things for the right time, like you guys saw with that Facebook. You want to make sure the risk reward is there, and that you could lose more than you win. It's just all about how much you're making on the back end. But I thought this was very interesting in the markets. Again, I want you guys to take note of this just so you could start to see how markets react during a Fed-fueled environment, what it's like. Try to remember what it's going to be like today, and then even tomorrow, the next time it happens, so that you're kind of more familiar with this. But I think this is an interesting move. I think it's pretty cool to see. There's obviously money being made, some cool opportunities. Be careful. Get ready for tomorrow, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I got 2 more videos. So at 1, I'm thinking 1 p.m. and 6 p.m. Or 7 p.m. tonight. So get ready. I love you all. Subscribe. I love you. That's it. I just love you. Someone laughed at me on my comments. They said, "I can't believe you said I love you." What's wrong with saying I love you guys? Like, did you just not get told you were loved enough as a kid or something, man? Because if not, I love you, all right? But yeah, peace out.